Aptas Ayurveda. Reach Ayurveda to each. Charaka for immunity. Biggest ever national level video contest on behalf of Charaka Jayanti 2021. Presented by Team Aptas. Co-sponsored by Himalaya Wellness Company. Shri Dhutapapeshwar Limited. YSS College of Pharmacy, Nursing and Paramedicals.
Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Raj, BMA second year UG student from Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha, Shri C.B. Gupta Ayurvedic Medical College, Dharwad, Karnataka. I am here to share my views on the concept of immunity explained by Charaka. But before going into the concept, let me have a small introduction. Swasthasya Swastharakshanam. This shloka explains about main aim of Ayurveda. And the main aim of Ayurveda is to maintain good health and to follow the healthy lifestyle. So in order to be have good health, we must require strong immune power, which is known as Vedic Shamatva in Ayurveda. And in order to have a strong immune power, we must follow the healthy lifestyle. So health, immunity and healthy lifestyle, these three things are interlinked with each other. So when we follow the healthy lifestyle, we will be having strong immune power, and when we are having strong immune power, we will be healthy. So Acharya Charaka defines Vedic Shamatva as Vedic Shamatvam, Vyadi Bala Virodhitvam, Vyadi Utpadana Pratibandhakatvam iti Yavat. So he considers two important factors here. Vyadi Bala Virodhitvam. So in an individual, Vedic Shamatva is an entity which helps in suppressing the Bala of the Vyadi. So it is known as Vyadi Bala Virodhitvam. So and in a healthy individual who is having strong Bala or strong immune power, so in those individuals, Vedic Shamatva will not allow the Utpadana of the Vyadi. So it is known as Vyadi Utpadana Pratibandhakatvam. So these two important factors helps in defining the Vedic Shamatva. Now I am going to consider Vyayama as an important tool in enhancing the Bala and or immune power in the individual. So Acharya Charaka defines Vyayama as Sharira Cheshta Yacha Ishta Stairartham Balavardhini Deha Vyayama Sankyata Matrayam Tam Samacharayat. So he explains that performing Vyayama or physical activities regularly according to our desires. It may be walking, jogging, etc. So anything it may be. So when we perform these activities regularly, then it helps in bringing up this Stairata, that is stability in our body, and also helps in enhancing the Bala in our body. So performing Vyayama regularly helps in increasing the Bala of the body as per Acharya Charaka. So he also explains the benefits of performing Vyayama regularly. So when we perform Vyayama regularly, it helps in increasing the stability and also brings about Laghuta in our body, that is lightness, and also helps in increasing the ability to do work. So ability to do work will be increased, that is Karma Samarthya. Samarthya to do work will be increased, and also it helps in Doshakshaya. So in an obese conditions or in conditions of a Kapha Vruddhi, so in those individuals, performing Vyayama helps in Kshaya of the Kapha Dosha and also helps in Agni Vruddhi, that is enhancing the power of the Agni. So all are the benefits of Vyayama. So performing Vyayama regularly helps in enhancing the Bala of the body. So when we are having strong Bala, then we will be healthy. So performing Vyayama indirectly helps in increasing the immune power. So how Ahara plays a very important role in enhancing the immunity. In the same way, performing Vyayama regularly helps in enhancing the immunity, helps in increasing the Bala of the body. So instead of taking immunity boosting medicines, when we perform Vyayama regularly, it helps in increasing the Bala. So as an Ayurvedic medical student, I recommend Vyayama as an important tool in enhancing the immunity. Thank you very much.
Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to each.